G'day everyone. So yeah, today we're down near Swanport Reserve, Murray Bridge, and Johnny's here. And yeah, we got something to show you, so I'll just flip this camera. Check that out. That's one of the paddocks that filled up overnight. Oh shit, there's a hole there. Damn. Yeah, close enough. There we go. There's a road there, a couple of cars coming down, there's a main road there. Swanport Hotel's back up over that way. You go down here and then you keep going down that way, and the river's way up there, like Swanport Reserve. See, look at this, right? This is a bloody dirt track here. Bang, paddock. It ain't a paddock now, it's a damn swamp. But it's like that on both sides of Swanport Bridge. Yeah, both sides of that bridge there. They missed the road closed sign. Where is he? Right there. Ha! Yeah, there you go. Come up overnight. Damn, huh? Anyway, we thought we'd give you a quick update. Yeah. Whoop, shit. If I don't go fucking ass up. Bloody nuts, isn't it, man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something different.
So now we're gonna go suss out the river. We probably won't get more footage as we just done footage yesterday and just showed you this bit.
Yeah.
And that sun's annoying because we look like silhouettes. That's a little bit better.
That's a bit better, you reckon?
I don't know. Probably.
Alright, let's roll and let's go have a look.
So yeah, share this video with your friends so people know. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace and dark lines.